Hi members, today I want to talk about sentence structures. What is sentence? Sentence is a group of words that makes complete thought and also it must be meaningful. Based on the number of clauses and their types, English sentences are classified into four. The first is simple sentence. A simple sentence contains only one independent clause. An independent clause contains a subject and a verb and expresses a complete thought. Let's see some example of simple sentence. I like coffee. Tola didn't go to the party. Gita chose Clever Sultan. Here, this example is simple sentence. Second is compound sentence. In English language, a compound sentence is composed of two or more independent clauses. This clause can be connected by coordinating conjunctions with comma and by semicolon. There are 7 coordinating conjunctions: for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Some example of compound sentence. Tola go to work, but Kufa go to the party. Live to learn, and you will learn to live. In these two sentences, we have two independent clauses. The third is complex sentence. It contains only one independent plus one or more dependent clause or clauses. In order to join the clause in complex sentence, we can use supporting conjunctions. Some of them are because, unless, than, while, before, also, after, since, it is. And we can use relative pronouns to join the clause in complex sentences such as which, that, who, whoever, whom, it is. Let's see some example of complex sentence. We missed our plane because we were late. God saw that the light was good. We missed our plane is independent clause because we were late is dependent clause. God saw is independent clause, that the light was good is dependent clause. In this complex sentence we have two clauses, independent and dependent. The fourth is compound complex sentence. It is the combination of the two structures, compound and complex. Therefore, it contains two or more independent clauses with at least one dependent clause. So here we have to use coordinating conjunctions and supporting conjunctions. Let's see one example. David didn't come because he was ill, so Gammachu was not happy. David didn't come is independent clause because he was ill is dependent. So Gammachu was not happy is independent clause. In this sentence we have two independent and one dependent clauses. So this is our first lesson. Thank you for your attention. Bye.